At Nyco, we make high-performance cleaners and floor care chemicals. The cleaners that keep healthcare patients in nursing homes safe, disinfectants that protect children in schools, families at home, and workers on the job. Products that keep local restaurants in business and big industry moving forward. For over 100 years, distributors across the country have relied on Nyco to help their businesses grow.
Our story began in 1920. Nyco was originally in the bottled water business, then transitioned into chemicals. Since then, we've continued to grow our expertise and expand our product line into other markets.
Nyco's growth includes modernizing production to our Midwest facility, launching our signature Marvelosa line and the Building Better Brands program, and celebrating a century in business in 2020. What really makes Nyco different is partnership. Building better brands is more than a slogan. It's the way we conduct business. We're completely invested in the success of every customer, understanding your goals, your market, and the customers you serve. Then, crafting a go-to-market strategy with the right training, support, and product mix, including Nyco professional line and private brand products. Our production facilities are world-class and offer a breadth of product formulations, packaging options, quality control, and compliance measures. Nyco has a full-service laboratory where we research and develop new products, formulate chemicals, and assure their integrity. And customers have access to ongoing support from a wealth of resources online and our incredible people behind the operation. At Nyco, we live by our core values of safety, integrity, and respect, among others. Our leadership team are known as experts in the industry, and our people are the best at what they do. We take pride that Nyco team members enjoy long careers with us. That's because we're committed to their success, just like we're committed to yours.
I'm in awe of what we've been able to accomplish together over the past 30+ years. Taking the seed that we had and then growing it to the business that we have today.
As we look to the future, we know a lot will change. But one thing will always remain the same: our partnership with you, our customers. Nyco, over 100 years of building better brands.